Essential tips for your dandruff treatment. Our scalp consists of a distinct texture that includes the follicles for hair growth and specific types of glands that keep the surface moisture intact. Many people nowadays are facing the dandruff issues. Dandruff can become a weary thing that can leave a person in really annoying stage. The distress of constant itching just leaves a person in no way but to remain out of any social gatherings. Nowadays many hair products are being introduced that makes us believe that they are the rescuers. Finally, we can be dandruff-free. But, the main thing is to know what dandruff is, how it happens and what you can do about it. What is dandruff? A dandruff isn't a disease and there is no exact theory behind its happening. It's basically an overgrowth of fungus on the scalp. It doesn't only happens to the dry scalp but also can affect on the oily scalp. The reason behind this cause is commonly the oily skin, dry weather, eczema or psoriasis. The effects are obvious, the embracement of itching. Rest assured, it isn't a deadly condition, but it can be handled well with some of the simple treatments and care. To decrease the excess buildup of the dead cells, use an anti-dandruff shampoo regularly. Get a prescription of a good medicated shampoo from a specialist. Leave it on the scalp for about 5 minutes, then wash and rinse well. Examine it. If you examine the dandruff flakes and they are greasy and yellow, it may be a sign of seborrheic dermatitis, an inflammatory skin condition that can occur where there are sufficient oil glands. These areas are some facial spots and the scalp. It is mainly related to the hormones, fungal infections or other problems like that. The treatment goes as: use the anti-dandruff shampoos, consult a specialist for a good medicated shampoo. Severe cases of dandruff may require a prescription steroid or antifungal medicine to work more effectively towards a solution. Home remedies. The home remedies in this regard are also very effective. You can do them at home and see the visible differences. Home remedies are simple and very cost-effective. For ages, it has been a norm to gather the things available at your own home's kitchen and make up a solution. Before the technological advancements, people treated many sick people around them with remedies made at home. Let's check out how you can control your dandruff with the simple remedies. 1. The neem leaves. Treat your baldness effectively with the help of neem leaves. It is a form of herb that is the best home remedy for dandruff. The benefits of neem leaves are immense. Its natural properties soothe the skin and relieve that scalp from itching. It acts as an antifungal and also inhibits the overgrowth of dandruff. What do you need? Get at least 2 handfuls of neem leaves and 4 cups of hot water. Procedure: let the leaves soaked in the water overnight and strain next day. Use the liquid to rinse your locks. You can also apply the paste of neem leaves to your scalp for an hour, then wash out. 2. The aloe vera. The lush green herb of aloe vera is often found beside the garden. It is commonly helpful in curing the minor burns and also relief from dandruff. What do you need? All you need is the aloe vera gel, about 1 bottle. Procedure: apply the aloe vera gel to the scalp and leave it be for 15 minutes. Then wash your locks and rinse well, normally. 2. Coconut oil. It is the most smooth remedy tip, as the coconut oil contains natural fatty acids and lauric acid in it. It helps to keep the natural moisture intact on the scalp. The strong antimicrobial and antifungal agents are naturally present in the coconut oil. The natural antifungal agents do their work to fight the fungus and dandruff on the scalp. Results can be seen as soon as in 1 week time. What do you need? You need to buy a coconut oil bottle once. Procedure: apply it on the head almost thrice a week for an hour, and wash normally. Watch out baldness. The excess of baldness can cause the roots to get brittle, hence causing the hair fall. If persistent, can lead to the baldness. If you are having intense baldness issues, then feel free to consult for hair transplant, the only permanent solution to baldness.